Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dillon King here with Home Buyer Louisiana. Today, this is a house I'm looking at. We are in Westwego. I'm not quite sure the full backstory on this property. I definitely know it's outdated. I don't see anything really, say, wrong. I don't notice any foundation issues. I mean, you can definitely say it's outdated. We can see this here, and I'm not a tall guy. I'm 5'4", and, this tub is only tiled about 4 feet, a little bit over 4 feet here. Carpet throughout the house, definitely old light fixtures, lots of wood paneling. Some of it has been switched over to sheetrock, and some of it has just been painted over. It's got a lot of built-ins. It almost seems like they were going to start updating the property, and then stopped. I don't know, maybe halfway through. You can even see we have almost like those commercial ceiling tiles going on here. But as far as that, I mean, it's really just kind of outdated. Even the kitchen, but like I said, I don't really have a backstory. I do know that in order for me to be here, that the owners of this property must have gone to homebuyerlouisiana.com and told us that for whatever reason, told my coworkers they want to get this property off their hands. So here I am. I'm inspecting it, making sure the description they gave us on the online form that you will find at homebuyerlouisiana.com is accurate, and we're going to buy this house from the homeowners ASAP as is for cash. So they're not going to need to come in here and finish any type of these renovations that they've begun. They're not going to have to do anything. You just simply need to get in touch with us. Say, hey, I need help. I want to get this property off my hands, and we will contact you. We purchase properties as is all the times. We do it as quickly as we can. We know time is of the essence, and we buy with cash in hand. I will say that I did notice that there was a real estate agent sign out front, so they must have been trying to sell this property for quite some time, and they're just at the limit of the time they wanted to spend to get rid of it, and I am here to do it as quickly as possible. So again, if you missed it before, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about that property, and I will be around to check it out.